Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a character on Character.ai. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, and let's start. So for that, all you gotta do is you can open up your browser, type in Character.ai, get into the official website, and from over here, once you have done creating your account as well, all you gotta do is tap on this create icon given on the right side, and once you've done that, you will get two options, which is character and voice. So you're gonna create a character, tap on the character option, then you simply have to put in the name of your character and then simply add in the tagline if you want to add. You can also choose to tap on this little pencil icon, which will let you have a generate an image or upload image if you want. I'm going to go with a generate image. I'm going to write in the description, and then I will simply ask to generate. This is what I got. I'm simply gonna choose this one and tap on select. And now description, if you want to write something, you can write it down. I would just leave it. If you want to add a certain greeting, you can choose that as well. If you want to add voice, simply tap on this add voice, or visibility also. You can choose it public, unlisted, or private. I'll simply make it private for now. Tap on create character. But the main thing is you have to add the greetings for that. I'll just add hello and tap on create character. You can see success character created, and that is it. This is my character is created now, and I'm good to go. So that's how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.